Okay, quick video here on how to roll your contracts. What do I mean by that? Well, as you know, with futures contracts, they have expiration dates, and so you've got to make sure that we're on the right contract. Okay, so first of all, when you're rolling a contract, open up NinjaTrader. Do not connect to data. Okay, but open up NinjaTrader and open up your workspace. All right, so have your charts open, have Ninja open, but do not be connected to data. All right. Then what you want to do is we're going to go right here to Tools, and then we'll click Instrument Manager. And if you followed the other steps in the other videos, you already have some instruments loaded in here. I might have a lot more things than you have, but for example, many of you are trading NQ. Okay, right now most of us are on NQ 620. Okay, all you've got to do is just highlight NQ or ES, whatever it is you're trading, click it there, and then right here click the right arrow and it will be gone. Okay, and notice it automatically updates here to 920 because that's now the current contract. So you just hit the left arrow and pop it back in and see how it updates to 920. Okay, some of you might be trading ES. All you got to do is find in your instrument list, find ES, highlight it, right click it, it pulls it out, left click it, pops it back in, but updates it to 920. A lot of you are trading micros, right? Maybe you're trading MNQ. So you find that in your default list here, highlight it, right click, pulls it out, left click, adds it in. See that? So you want to go through and update anything. So any of you that are trading any of the stock indices, you know, the YM, NQ, ES, RTY, you know, you need to make sure to update those. If any of you are trading the sixes, you know, as far as forex futures, you want to go ahead and update all those. Again, you just got to click them, right, highlight them, right click, left click, highlight, right click, left click. Okay, it's very simple to go through and update these. Now, some of this is very important. So once you go through and you update whatever instruments you want, you just hit OK. And what that does is that will update your instrument list, but it does not automatically update your charts. Okay, so again, you have to have your charts open already, like we had said. Have your workspace open, and then all you got to do is just, for example, come down here and find your NQ chart. Okay, right now your NQ chart says 0620, for example. You just click that. Now you go down and you find NQ 0920, and you just click it. And what it will do is it will reload. And again, you do not have data connected right now. Okay, so that's why nothing's going to show up after it switches to 920. Okay, there's no data connected. It'll, you know, bars will pop up after you connect data. Let's say that you have an ES chart up. Do the same thing. Just drop down and go down and find the new 920. Okay, so what you want to do is go update every chart you have in your workspace that would have rolled over. Okay, so whether you're doing NQ, ES, MNQ, gold, oil, you want to change your sniper templates, your 10-minute, your 60-minute, your every chart you have for that instrument, you need to make sure it's on the new contract date now. Okay, and then what you'll do is you'll you know, close and save your workspace as always. Now, some of us have more than one workspace. Like if we go in our workspaces here, and you can see we've got different ones opened up, or we may have old workspaces, we may have multiple workspaces. If you have another workspace that has old contracts in it, that can mess up your NinjaTrader. Okay, it can cause problems. So if you're not going to be using other workspaces, say you have 2 or 3 different workspaces, if you no longer use those old ones, go in and delete those workspaces, get rid of them. Okay, but if you want to keep multiple workspaces, you have to make sure to go in and update these contracts on every old workspace. Otherwise, it will cause problems with Ninja if you leave old contracts in a workspace that are loading in the back end behind the scenes, messes everything up. Okay, so that's it. Make sure to roll over. And you know, some of you wonder, well, hey, how do I know when to roll over? We've got areas and links on the site for that. You'll see it talked about in the Skype room. You'll see it talked about in the Elite room, and we send out notifications as well. So you'll always know when a rollover is coming. Okay, there you go, guys.